Excellent. Rip this other side.
Kate's opening his presents. Kind of getting it. Keep going, Taters. About 15 months old. Doing a dry run of Christmas before we leave for California today. Let's take our presents. Taters. You're doing a good job.
You're doing a good job.
Keep at it. It's like, this is exhausting. What the heck is this? Yeah. Keep ripping. Whoa.
Good boy.
Whoa. Wobbly. Good job, Taters.
This is really wonderful. Oh, quiet.
I thought you might like to play with your dad and brothers. And brother, I guess. When we're up there. Do you want to help him?
Oh.
He's like, what the heck? Hey, Daddy.
No!
Yay!
Yeah.
Ball, Taters.
Get in there.
I'm like, oh, what do we have here?
You love it?
Good job, Taters. Oh, so close.
You just throw your first basket of your whole life. Do it again. Put it right in there. Like this, go. Whoa! Here you go, I help. Good job. Like, this is cool.
You like it, Taters? Oh, what is it? It's a ball? Yeah, it's a ball. Yeah. That's a good boy.